Hello YouTube. In this video we're going to learn how to use any of these Android Android um, stereos, and we'll make it work with the commands over here. For example, we're gonna play Pandora here. Beautiful song here. I'm gonna launch it from over here by pressing back like this, and then I can put the volume down, up. I can send it to home because I put this one to home, and then mute over here on this one, mute over here, and then next song and back song. I love this song. That was the name of the song right there. Beautiful song. So anyway, right here you go back and then put the volume up here. This one is just a cruise control, so that's the regular cruise control. But yeah, so first thing you gotta do, we're gonna take these two things off, and what I got here is this tool, the one you use for to take the thingies off. So you gotta get it from here first, but I need my two hands. So this is only, I'm not gonna show you the stereo. You connect the stereo the regular way, the way you connect your stereo, you know, just the regular way. I'm just gonna show you what you have to connect on the back with the K1. So anyways, you prime this thing here, and just pull it like this. The whole piece comes out and expose the screws. Same on the other side. By the way, this is my phone holder thingy. I just put it with two screws there because this is my adventure car, you know. So anyway, we're just gonna take the stereo off. So we're gonna take this guy off, this one, and this one, and this one. So once you take the screws off, all you gotta do is pull this guy, pull it out like this, and here comes a magic in the back. So we got the with the wires, you know, you can pause it right here, what the wires telling you to do. But what we're looking for here, I think the GPS antenna is too short. I don't remember what's the thing here. Oh, it's the regular antenna. Hold on one second. So when you connect your stereo, you connect your speakers, the power, the antennas, the GPS, the speaker, the microphone, whatever, and you're gonna so here on your stereo, you're gonna have these cables. I don't think it matters what color they are. You're gonna have a key 1 and a key 2 and a key 1. In this case, the key 1, I think, is this blue one right here. I just had it here. Anyways, is this guy right here in black. Oh no, it's this yellow and green. It says key 1. That one, it's for this stuff. So go on Google and Google your harness. And on my case, is this one right here. Is the key 1. So what I did is I connect the that guy, you know, the green one is that blue right here. and on the real car is this one right here. This one on the harness in the back is that guy right there. This one. If you Google your car, you'll see which one is the steering control, and in my case is this one, so I connected to key 1, and that's all you have to do there. And then install your stereo again with the 4 screws and everything, and put this thing back. And in this car, when you gotta put this piece first, you gotta slide that one first. It's got like some kind of guys like that, and then you just slide it like that. Okay, and then here comes the magic. So you connect the wire in the back, and that's it. Now you gotta come to the settings of the car. In this case, you come to the settings of the car. I don't remember if it's this one. Yes, car settings right here. In car, you press car setting, and then see what it says, base settings, factory settings, and then it's right here, it says steering wheel settings. So you press there, and at this point I already have it programmed, because you gotta program that thing to your stereo. So you can reset like that. Well, let's reset, let's do it. And it says what to do right there. Please press and hold. Please press the key on the steering wheel you want to learn. For example, you see what I got here? It's volume up, volume down, mute, next song, preview song, and home. And what you do is we can reset it. So see, there's nothing now. So what you do is you press here, and this one is the volume, so you're gonna press up on the volume, and notice what appears on the screen when I press. See, as soon as I press here, there's a menu here. So, and then on the menu you go to volume up, see, and then you just volume up right there, and then you just press volume up. So I hope we're getting the point here, that we just gotta connect that wire in the back. It's a signal wire that communicates with this thing. It's the signal wire. So once we are already with the volume up, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go volume down, which is this one here. And look at the screen. It gives me the menu. On the menu, we go and we look for this one here, which is volume down. We press that one, and then we press OK right here, and then see, we have volume up, volume down. Now we go here for the next song, and then again the screen changes over here, and we go for next song, which is next song is this one here. So we press here, and then we press OK, and then we have that one. Now we're gonna preview song. Press this one right here. Notice the thing changes again, and we gotta choose from the menu, and we're gonna choose preview song, which is this one right here. Press OK, and see how we're programming every single key. On this one here, I'm gonna put the mute. So as soon as I press right here, and now I look for menu, for mute, and then OK, and I recorded it right there. And then the last button, this one here, which is mode over here, I'm gonna put it as home. So I'm gonna press right here like this, press again, and then there's home right here. I press home, and then OK, and then I press save right here. You gotta save it. press save, and that's it. And now when we are playing Pandora, I can lower the volume and I can press this one here, and that will do my song. Then my volume here, another beautiful song here, love it. And then this one here, we say it's gonna be mute, so I press on it and mute. And this one here is gonna be home, and notice, send the thing to home. And that's it. Good luck, you'll do it. Trust me, it's easy. Have a great day.